Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the True Valley Town Center, and we are on Constant Spring Road. So we're just going to take a look at one of the nicer plazas in Kingston and St. Andrew. Very successful plaza. Took a very long time to build, but it's up and running now, and it's one of the top plazas. Has supermarket, it has food stores, it's built in a populated location. So the plaza does very well. Okay, now the supermarket is Fresh Foods. I think that's part of the Progressive family. And then you have Wendy's, Domino's, Encore, Cafe Blue, Golden Fountain, Masala Walk, Devon House Ice Cream. So basically, they have everything you need for a successful plaza. And it's built on Constant Spring Road, right below Manor Park. Now the persons that built this plaza have another plaza, I think it's Super Value, on Mannings Hill Road. So they were going to move that supermarket over here, but for some reason they decided to just build a new one. So Super Value is still open on Mannings Hill Road. And you have Super Value a different supermarket over here. That's why the supermarket is named, not the supermarket, that's why the plaza is named Super Valley Town Center, because Super Valley was to move over here as a supermarket. Alright, so we're exiting now and going back on to Constant Spring Road. And Constant Spring Road is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica, in Kingston actually. It takes you from Stony Hill all the way to Halfway Tree, and any road that leads to or from Halfway Tree is going to have a lot of traffic, because Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. But also Constant Spring Road has more plazas on it than any other road in Jamaica. So it's a very busy road. You're going to find banks. The Halfway Tree Transport Center is on Constant Spring Road. It's a very busy road. So the government, and when we say government, we don't necessarily mean the current government, but the government that was in power at the time this road was renovated, did an excellent job. They identified the need for this road to be upgraded. Before, it was like a single lane road. It was basically, to get from Halfway Tree to Manor Park on like a Friday afternoon could take you up to 2 hours. And so the government saw the need to upgrade the road. So what you can see now is an upgraded road. Very nicely done. This is actually one of the nicest roads in Jamaica outside of the highways. And can you imagine the day when every main road in Jamaica looks like this? Now the government did an excellent job. It now takes you less than half an hour to get from Halfway Tree to Stony Hill. And they put in these barricades to make sure people can't turn where they're not supposed to turn. So if you want to access, say, Mannings Hill Road from here, you have to make a U-turn and go all the way back up. So it really made a difference. And then they put in these modern stoplights, and it really made a difference with the flow of traffic. Because unfortunately in Jamaica, there is a lot of indiscipline on the roads. So if say you were that yellow car and you wanted to turn right there, they would just block the entire road. That's why they had to put up these concrete barricades to prevent those things from happening. So okay, look at this plaza on the right now. You want to go there, if the barricade wasn't there, people would just turn. But now you have to go down and make a U-turn. It's unfortunately the only way to control the traffic. These stoplights have the cameras, but that doesn't stop persons from even running the red light. Now, there's a system to be implemented in Jamaica where they can issue tickets from these cameras. They will take a picture of the license plates, and then the person that the car is registered to would receive a ticket. If you don't pay the ticket, you cannot do anything at the tax office. You can't renew nothing to do with the car. So the laws have been passed. As you can see, the cameras have been put in. But I'm not sure why the government is not using the system. I have no idea. So if anybody knows what's holding that up, you can leave a comment in the section below. But I know the law was passed, and I can't figure out why they haven't started. Alright, also on Constant Spring Road is a lot of schools and a lot of hardware stores. But the most popular place on this road, this stretch of road, is plazas. So at this intersection now, this is Don Robin Avenue. On the left is Phil's Hardware. If you're driving out of Kingston, this is one of the main roads you would take, Don Robin down to Washington Boulevard, and that takes you onto Mandela Highway. And from there, from Mandela, you can get on all the major highways. And also, Mandela takes you to Portmore and Spanish Town, which has the largest population outside of Kingston. On the right is there's a lot of restaurants. Okay, on the left is West Kings House Road. Now, from this point to Halfway Tree, every location on the left is a plaza, and every other location on the right is a plaza. So this is literally the entire road has more plazas than any other road, but this section right here has so many plazas as we enter Halfway Tree. Every location on the left is a plaza, and these plazas do very well. Now, on the left, these plazas are the only plazas that are very successful that don't follow the simple formula we have. They don't have, the ones on the left don't have supermarkets, but they have a lot of food stores, and they are built in a very populated area. The ones on the right, like Twin Gates, they have a supermarket, but not all of them. But it's just because they're so close to Halfway Tree and the amount of traffic that Halfway Tree has that make these plazas so successful. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.